So, hello all, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine. Today we will be starting a new topic, and the topic name is adverb. In the previous class, I have told you what is adverb. Today we will be studying what is an adverb. The name suggests the word ही हमें बता रहा है कि what is adverb. Add plus verb. यानी एनी अदर इंफॉर्मेशन, कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन जो हमें वर्ब के बारे में पता लगती है, that is called adverb. Any other information which is added to verb is called adverb. And what are verb? Verb are action words, right? So action words के बारे में कोई other information हमें मिलती है, that is called adverb. So I will be telling you the 5 types of adverb, but today in this class I will be teaching you 3 types of adverb. First is adverb of place. Second will be adverb of frequency. Third will be adverb of time. The other two we will be doing in next class. So the first is adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of time. So let's start with the first type of adverb, which is adverb of place. So what is adverb of place? The name suggests place, जो किसी की place हमें बताए. Example, you can relate it with prepositions, right? This is a box, ball is inside. This is a box, ball is outside. So adverb of place include the word inside, outside, everywhere, everywhere, nowhere, right? These all the words are included in adverb of place. Now I will be writing a sentence. He turned away. So what is away? He turned away and look upwards, right? वो पीछे मुड़ा and look upwards. What is look? A verb. And we are describing that he look upwards. उसने ऊपर की ओर देखा. So what is this? This is an adverb of place, which is adding the information to the verb look. Look को वो add information कर रहा है कि कहाँ देखा उसने, upwards देखा. So these all words are included in place. There are so many words, right? I am writing here a few words. Clear? So the second type of adverb will be adverb of frequency. Second type, adverb of frequency. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी यानी कि जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो हम कितनी बार कर रहे हैं. आप ऐसे याद कर सकते हो कि कितनी बार कर रहे हैं. एक भी बार नहीं कर रहे, या कितनी बार कर रहे हैं. दी वर्ड्स इंक्लूडेड आर ऑफन, रेयरली, ऑलवेज, नेवर, एक्सेट्रा. दीज ऑल वर्ड्स कि हम काम कैसे कर रहे हैं, बहुत कम कर रहे हैं, रोज कर रहे हैं, कभी नहीं कर रहे हैं. These all words will be included in adverb of frequency, right? The example of this sentence: she never drives a car. She never drives a car यानी वो ड्राइव कार कर रही है कब? कभी भी नहीं. वो ड्राइव के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि वो ड्राइव कब करती है? कभी भी नहीं. So this will be included in adverb of frequency. Clear? Now the third type. Now the third type, adverb of time. बहुत आसान, जो हमें टाइम के बारे में बता रहा हूँ. Yesterday, today, now. All these words will be included in adverb of time. जो हमें टाइम के बारे में बता रहा हो कि वो हमारा जो एक्शन है, जो वर्ब्स हैं, वो कब हो रही हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी में कितनी बार हो रही हैं, प्लेस में कहाँ हो रही हैं, एंड टाइम में कब हो रही हैं. क्लियर? आज हो रही है, कल हो रही थी, या अभी होगी. दीज ऑल विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. एग्जाम्पल, I have done this before. वो कह रहा है कि मैंने ये कब किया, ये मैं पहले ही कर चुका हूं. जो काम है मेरा वो मैं पहले ही कर चुका हूं. These will be included in adverb of time. Clear? So this was all about today. I have explained you the 3 types of adverbs. The 2 types of adverb we will be doing in our next class. So till then, be safe. Thank you.